I don't know what I should start with first. I guess we could start with the camera.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
I can't even get it open. You open it. Thank you. Don't need that right now. Got the charger. I think that that's just the USB cord. Is there anything else in here? Okay. Get the USB, the singular battery. I forget what it's called though. Oh yeah, homies. That's nice. That's the good camera. Isn't it pretty? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's nice. Looks good. Right, that's the back of it. Front. At the bottom. And then you got all your modes up top. Oh yeah. That is so nice. Okay. Then we got tripod. I just bought the kit so I ain't have to individually go and get every single little thing. Even though I ended up getting a whole bunch of little extra stuff. Now that's isn't bad. I like how it actually has grips on it because my other one it's like doesn't have grips on it, so it gets a little slidey. Yeah, that's nice. We got the case. Oh, yep, the little camera cleaner. Another case. Has like a little pocket on the inside. Oh, it has a little strap to go with it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Camera, little pouch. I got one of the lights to go on my camera in case I'm somewhere without good lighting. Always gotta be prepared. Little USB cord. I got this color white so it doesn't throw off the color block of my camera. That's how it is. It has the, I forget what they're called. Alright. And it has the little thing to go into your camera. I also got a hard drive. 2 TB just to start off. I wanted to get 4 terabytes, but I didn't want to go too crazy. More instructions that I'll probably not read, or if I do, I'll read them later. USB cord. This is in there good, not gonna lie. Alright. It's a decent size. It's not too big, it's not too small. I'm gonna put this all in the case whenever I get everything set up. So I'll just keep it out. I think these are the batteries. I ordered a pack of 4 because I looked at all the reviews before getting the camera about how the battery dies quick, so I want to be prepared. Oh, this is the dummy battery. I got a big one because I want to vlog a good bit of my photo shoots, and I don't want to worry about my battery dying in the middle of recording. So I figured I'd get this. Little setup so that way I can just plug it in and have it good to go. I also got this card reader. More instructions.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
I see you.
I see you.
I
And
see you.
this is what it looks like. The C-type, Apple, and then USB. And then you have your slots at the bottom. You got the one for the USB. You got one for a little SIM card, one for a big SIM card, and then I think this one is just to charge it. And this one is also for a USB, I believe. And then there's like the labels at the very bottom. Yeah, I wasn't playing. I was getting all the good stuff. Okay. Okay, these are the batteries. But yeah, I got a pack of 4 so that way I can keep them in rotation to keep them charged. This is how it looks. Comes in this little box and it has 4 of these. This is the charging dual. Another USB, the charger dual. And then I'm gonna pull one battery out so I can, well, so we can see how I'm gonna do this. Even though I could have just pulled out that battery, but it's okay because I'm already opening it. Comes in this little case. Okay. So that's how it would sit in there. With the white strip at the bottom. I'm actually gonna put another one just to start it all off. I want to try and keep my batteries charged as much as possible. Oh yeah, they're in there good. Have this case for the camera. Also got a screen protector for the camera. I want this little rag to wipe off the dust. This is how the case looks. It's definitely flimsy. It's not really going to protect anything, but I'd rather have a case on than no case at all. I know, wait. So it came with a screen protector for the camera, and I bought more because I didn't know it came with it. Well, the more the merrier. And I can open it. There's tape on it, though. And they look pretty small, obviously, for the camera. Pack of 3. And then I got the SD card. I started off with the 256 gigabytes. I wanted to get the terabyte one, but that was like 180 something, I believe, on Amazon. So just starting off small. That's the little packaging. Okay. And I'll put that in my camera in a second. I ordered a Apple MacBook Air. I believe it's 11-inch. Just so I can edit. The refurbished one. It's not, actually doesn't look that bad for a refurbished. And put it down because I ain't trying to drop it. That's nice. Definitely can't tell that it was refurbished. It said it was supposed to have dents and a scratching on it, but I don't see any dents or scratch. So that's really nice. Yeah. Nice setup. I do have a case coming for the computer. I believe it's like an aqua color. It comes with a protector screen, a little keyboard mat, and then a case for the back and the top. Came with the charger, which I'm glad because I was going to buy one. And now I don't have to. I guess I could start putting this together. Wait, I don't know which part to add first. Well, obviously the battery. Okay. So to open it, you have to slide it. But to close it back, I don't know. So we're not trying to close it back. I'll figure it out. Okay, I'm going to put the battery in. It's not going to be that much of a charge. I most likely have to charge it. I'm going to drop that in there. Is it going to? Yep. Okay. If I can get this open. You can hear y'all laughing. And then little SD card. I think I'm supposed to put it in this way. Yep. Yeah. Why the heck won't it close? Oh. There's like a little slider that you have to slide over or it's just going to keep popping out. How do I think it out? Okay. Open and lock. That's not bad. Then it has like the little screw for your tripod. Maybe I should put this on last. I really forget what this is called. And I heard it so many times today, so I don't know how I forgot. I'm going to know what it's called as soon as I get done with this video, I guarantee. Not trying to break this. What the hell? When y'all were struggling in y'all videos to put this stuff together, I was thinking, that can't be that hard. But actually doing it, it is kind of confusing. Which way is it supposed to go? Because neither way is working, and I don't want to force it and then it break on me. Oh yeah, there we go. Like, god dang. Little fluffy fluff. Oh, it's definitely shutting. And then, oh, maybe I should have put that piece in first. This doesn't go in all the way, so it kind of like hangs out a little bit. Y'all, I ain't put the case on. I'm doing things so out of order. Oh, this fits it perfectly. And then that's the front. I'm gonna have to slide this piece underneath the case. So with the tripod on, the case kind of does come out of place just a little bit. Kind of hangs out a little bit with the tripod on. But it still completely covers it, so I'm not that mad about it. That might irk me a little bit though, not gonna lie. Yeah, you have your HDMI, you have your iPhone. It says multi on it, and then for your mic, which my mic, I have to order it. I might get a Movu, I believe that's what it's called. I'll put it in a description and a picture on this side. Not gonna lie, this is a little heavy, but it's mostly the tripod that's heavy. The camera itself is actually pretty light. in my opinion. Wipe the screen off, dry it off, get all the dusties. And then the only thing I don't like about screen protectors is somehow the what's it called? The dusties get on the screen protector as soon as you take it off the film. I love watching the little air bubbles disappear. And then just going in, making sure the air bubbles are gone. The lights, they have modes on it. I believe like goes the highest is gonna be this one over here, this little bar. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so turn it up this way for the brightness, and you would turn it down this way for less brightness. But I'm gonna turn it up all the way just to see how it would look. I feel like that would be pretty bright. And then this part comes off, so you can have it without it. That's how the camera looks. It looks so pretty, y'all. I feel like it's tilted though. It's just because my tripod. Okay. And then, alright, let's see. You obviously have your on and off mode. This is just your mode for your settings, I believe. I don't know what this button is yet, but we are going to turn the camera on. Oh, you guys. Almost there. Oh, that is lovely. That is so nice. That's how it looks. Oh, I actually like this. That's really nice. I feel like everybody says how there's not a good bit of what's to call it, background in it. I feel like this is actually a lot for me, especially because my arms are pretty long. Like, you can see a good bit behind me. And the way they were saying it, it was like all the way up here, but it's actually like pretty far, in my opinion. That's the little setup. And then I do want to try the focus thing that everybody kept saying. Okay, wait. Maybe I should try something else. Oh yeah, that's nice. And it goes right back. That is lovely. I know. But then I like how I can see myself and I don't have to wonder how I look on the camera. I don't know if you guys can see that. But you see how it focuses on it without you having to actually like hit anything, and then so I take it away, it focuses back on me. Lovely. That's gonna come in handy for so much stuff. That is so nice. And I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. Oh, there's also a little charger piece or USB. I think I can't really remember what is what, to be honest. Yeah, that is on it. I think it is. Oh, nice. Yeah, I definitely have to charge the battery because it definitely just turned off on me. But at least I was done using it. So that's not bad at all. It is very heavy with this tripod on. I'm most likely going to have it on at all times. But without it, it's actually decent. Little size, nothing too crazy. When I get my mic, I'm going to have the mic maybe up here and have this. I won't really be using this since the mic comes with one of these, but we'll see. we'll put, yeah, look at it. The case definitely looks way better without a tripod on. Like, it doesn't mess it up or anything. Like, fits perfectly. I wonder if this is charged. Probably not. Be nice if it was. Oh! But I'm gonna put everything in the description, all the links where I got it. Huh. Not gonna lie, trying to take the battery out itself is actually pretty hard. Cause like I don't want to break it. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna wait to set this up because it's gonna take me a minute. I already know it is. Oh, how'd you get it out? I wish I was paying attention. So.
Just made up for the switch.
Oh.
Pops out.
That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you. Okay, so it's the blue switch. The little tiny thing in there. If you can't figure it out, like I couldn't figure it out, you move that and it just pops out.
Literally.
So that makes a lot of sense. Okay, and this, it's going to keep popping out. It doesn't because of the cord. So when you're charging this, at least it stays in, but you just will be having this hanging out. I got the dummy battery since I saw a lot of reviews on it that said it won't overheat your battery while you're charging and recording, so you don't have to worry about anything overheating, which is like pretty nice. And then what's it call it? I would be able to put that in there. I would be able to put my SD card right there and upload all my content onto there, which makes it pretty easy. This wasn't that bad of a price either. Would you stop laughing? I'm trying to be serious. But this is nice too, how it like you can wrap it up. That's actually really nice. I've never seen anything like that. It's fancy.
I ain't even going to scare you right. That's definitely some whole like 2014 shit.
For real?
Yeah.
I've never seen that. That's nice. Of course, it's the old school one though. And I'm definitely gonna put this on the charger, just so when I'm ready to use it, it's fully charged. I didn't even use this. I forget what it is for. Screen protector. There's nothing else in here. Wait. Yeah, it comes with, yes, two. I didn't even see it. Good thing I looked. I was about to toss it. I was definitely about to be like, well, don't need that. Yes, I do. I might as well just keep the case and put it with the other screen protectors. Screen protectors for days. So me. I'm gonna put everything in this little pouch because this little pouch is really cute. I'm gonna put a little SD little thing in there. Wonder if this will fit in there. Nah, that's okay. Us most likely gonna stay at home anyway. They do have different colors for these though. They got a camo one, they got brown, black, white, blue, and orange. I was gonna get the orange one, but I kept thinking about the pink one, so that's what I went with. I was gonna grab both, but we're on a budget right now after everything I just grabbed. That pretty much concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys get yourself a camera. If you're going to get a camera, I would definitely invest in it. Like start off not small, but get a camera that you know you're actually going to use, and then add stuff to it. Like build it up, invest in it, and then you know, just work your way up. It don't have to be nothing crazy. I just went all out because I just, yeah. Why not? Yeah, 'tis the season. The tax season. The good old tax season. You know what I mean? Right. But yeah, that's the Sony ZV-1 for you guys in white. It's really nice. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to stay notified whenever I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And don't forget to hit the bell if you that's gonna be a blooper. I forget what I was saying. Rewind. Wait, I can feel the giggles coming on. Okay, it's not the time.
Can't focus on me.